Imagine sitting in a quiet room and suddenly a buzzing or ringing sound fills your ears. You feel trapped in an endless cycle of these phantom noises. You're not alone. Over 50 million Americans suffer from tinnitus, yet most believe there's no escape. The myth is that tinnitus is irreversible, but neuroscience tells a different story. In fact, neuroplasticity allows our brain to adapt and reorganize itself, offering paths to relief. Research shows that habituation techniques can significantly reduce the perception of tinnitus. One study from the Journal of the American Academy of Audiology found that patients could achieve over a 50% reduction in symptoms through sound therapy and cognitive behavioral strategies within just a few months. Start today by incorporating simple practices. Use a white noise machine while you sleep to mask those sounds, and dedicate 10 minutes daily to mindfulness meditation focused on your breathing. This intentional practice can help decrease anxiety and improve your response to tinnitus. Remember, neural pathways are built through consistency, not one-time fixes. I know it can feel overwhelming, even with this information in hand. I was there too, feeling like I was stuck in a relentless battle. But then I discovered this one amazing supplement that actually made a difference for me. I tried a ton of things that didn't work, but this one did. If you're looking for something that could change your life, check out my homepage and see what I found. I really believe it could help you too.